Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find CD key on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the library section where you can see all the games that you own. From there, choose the game for which you want to find the CD key and click on it. After opening the game page, look for the Settings icon or click the Manage option, then select Properties. Inside the Properties window, check the available sections such as General or Updates, because if the game includes a CD key, it will usually be displayed there. If you see a CD key listed there, you can simply copy it and use it wherever it's required. However, if you do not see any CD key in the Properties section, that usually means the developer did not include one. Many modern Steam games no longer require CD keys, so if there's nothing shown, you can just launch and play the game normally without any issues. You can also try right-clicking the game in your library and checking if a CD key option appears in the menu. But again, if it's not there, the game simply doesn't use one. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find CD key on Steam. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.